this pedal is sticking right there. If you're sitting in it, it'll be your left foot pedal. You have to tap your foot again, whichever direction you choose. You have to tap that same pedal so it will actually stop. What we're going to do is take off these 4 bolts. There's one there, one there, one there, and one there. And I've pre-sprayed these with my accessible lubricant is what I'll say. Bolt and a washer. And this is a 9/16 or 14 millimeter for the socket. You gotta watch because this socket, when it moves up, there's not enough room to get it off. So you've got to just loosen it with your socket and then put your wrench on it. You have to retighten this to be able to get it out of here. You clean these up a little, or get some kind of leverage and out of the path of anything hitting you. Especially this seat bottom here. Okay, see how that's up like that? And this is how it looks back there. Now I can go ahead and pull this up. Now I can see the parts in here and clean and lubricate accordingly. And if you're looking down at your left pedal and moving to the right, this is what it looks like. So I've been cleaning in here quite a bit, and there was a little bit of rust right there, but I took the hook tool. Yeah, you can kind of see it was around this little cylinder. So I'm hoping that will fix that. And I'm going to put another douse of lubricant on there. Go ahead and get that on there so that doesn't fall off. Sure looks a lot cleaner than when I took this panel off. So I'm going to put the panel back on now after I remove my, I'll call it a safety post. just in case the safety rod were to have fallen. So I'm going to get up here and just kind of give myself a little bit closer, but not too close to this, because it has a pretty good lot of weight on it. What I'll do next is I'll get some bolts started, but I don't want to tighten them all the way because I really want to know if the cleanup that I did on the valves is actually working or not. It's amazing what cleaning those valves did. You can see it stopped going up, going down. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can see more videos on the channel here at Make It Work Dan.